Hey, my name is Sandra and I'm with Two-Way Direct. Today I have the newest Kenwood radio. This is the Kenwood PKT-300. It has replaced the now discontinued PKT-23. This is a 2-watt radio. It's small, compact, but it does have a lot of power. This radio comes equipped with a fixed antenna, the back of the radio, the battery, which is also compatible with the PKT-23, the single unit charger, and the power cord adapter. So if we quickly build this, we just need to add the battery here. This is here to help you pull the battery out if you need to change it. So we'll leave that out. We'll add the back, and there are 2 latches here to lock this into place. We can push that down, and now we know it's secure. For the single unit charger, on the bottom, you'll see where we can attach the adapter for the power cord. And then we just slide the radio here and you're good to go. This radio does come with a fixed antenna. The volume knob is also the way to turn it on. It has a display and a limited keypad here, so you can toggle through channels and make changes to the radio. This side has the push-to-talk button, and the other side has the port for audio accessories. The audio accessories compatible with this radio are also compatible with most Kenwood ProTalk radios. To check out this new radio and learn more, visit our website at twowaydirect.com or give us a call at 888-742-5893. Thanks, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.